Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the composite primary key, right? So today we'll be discussing about the natural key. So what is a natural key? Let's go through the definition. Let's try to understand certain things and then let's go with a particular example, right? I'll just go with a simple example for this one. So first, what's the definition here? A natural key is a key that is derived from the real world, meaningful data in a table and is used to uniquely identify the record, right? So a natural key is a key that is basically derived from the real world meaningful data in a table, real world meaningful data in a table, and is used to uniquely identify the record. Used to uniquely identify the record. Just keep this in mind. In simple terms, what can I say is instead of creating the artificial column, right? So instead of creating an artificial column, a natural key uses existing fields like email, SSN, phone number, or employee ID, right? Anything it might be accordingly with the table that we have created, right? So instead of creating an artificial column, a natural key uses existing fields like email, SSN, phone number, or employee ID that are already unique by nature. These values have business meaning and can uniquely identify each row. These values have business meaning and can uniquely identify the each row. So here in this case, let me go with a very simple example so that we understand this concept very clearly. What is natural key basically, right? So here uh, we are going with a YT test database, right? So I'll just go with YT underscore test here. This is fine. Yeah. Next step, what I'll do, let's create the table using the natural key. So I'll just go with create table, mm, employees, right here, employees. So within this table, so first let's go with the parameters. This one email. So this one var of 100 or 200. I'll just give 100 here. So let's make this one as primary key. Let's make this one as primary key. This is fine. Next, I'll just go with the parameter full name here. Full name. So this one I'll just go with varchar of 100 as well for this one as well, right? So the next one is, let me go with department here. Let me go with department. So this one varchar of let me give 50. This is just the department name, right? So I'll just go with the 50 for this one. So this is it for the code. So what happened here? Why flower bracket? So this has to be parenthesis, right? Just give me a second. Yeah, this is fine now. This is fine, right? So now we have successfully created a table, and we are going with the parameters email, full name, as well as the department, right? So we have set the email as the primary key. Now let's do one thing. Let's insert the records using the email as natural key. Let's insert the records using email as natural key. So here we need to insert the records using email as the natural key, right? So email as the natural key because we have set this one as primary key, right? So here let me paste this one, right? We are just inserting the records using the email as natural key here. In this case, we are inserting into employees, we have went with the parameters, this thing itself, email, full name, as well as the department, this one value. So values we are giving here. For the email we have given gauri@example.com, the name, this one full name Gauri BN, and the department IT here Durga. So this one at the example, so I'll just change the name to Durga itself, right? So Durga BN, this one HR I have made this one HR. This is fine. So if I execute the query, here, so it has to just give us the output query executed successfully, right? As we are just going with the insertion. This is mainly I went with this example just to show the this one, what do we call, uh, show the example for the natural key, right? So we are just inserting the records using email as natural key because we have set this one, as primary key. Basically, what's the definition of this one? What's the definition of natural key? Is a key that is derived from the real but meaningful data in a table and is used to uniquely identify the record. Here email is used to uniquely identify the record. This is the primary key, right? So now if I give execute, So here you can clearly see there is already an object named employees in the database. This is fine. This is fine. We already have the employees, right? I can just change the name, but this is fine. Completion time. So this is fine, right? So just give me a second here. 1 second. Did I get confused here? All right. So yeah, this is fine, man. Or you can just go with employee. So this one you can just make this one table employee, and you can just execute it. Execute this one. Yeah. Here you can clearly see two rows affected, right? So this one, Gauri and Durga. So this one. So here, uh, email acts as this one. Email acts as the natural key, right? So here inserting the records, we have inserted the records using the email as natural key here, right? So this is fine. This works absolutely correct. Next, we will be going with the surrogate key, right? Next, we will be going with the surrogate key. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.